So we're going to talk today about the really simple thing about mixing paint. Some of you guys that have been doing this a while, you're going to find this video very boring. Please like, share, and subscribe though, because we need more subscribers for YouTube. YouTube wants us to have a lot of subscribers to be monetized, so it's all right. I'm going to talk to you guys about this tool. A lot of people want to mix paint with one of these. And you know, sometimes you just don't have your drill. I don't usually use it. Obviously you can see it's still black, but I use this for stucco more often, depending on, and I'll tell you about that in another video, how to mix up that chunky stucco. And when it gets, you know, a little bit wet, you don't have to throw the bag away, you can still use it. Anyway, so let's talk about mixing paint. Generally, a lot of guys are trying to use something like this to mix paint. Some of you guys at home using something like this, or using a stir stick, you know, one of these here, you know, you get it from the paint store, big stir stick like that, and you're sitting there going like this. Ooh, you know, I'm mixing my paint up, right? You know, you guys, like I said, you guys have been doing this a while. Boxing paint is, you know, the first thing you do usually, you know, you water it down or whatever. If you're going to do like an interior where it's, you know, blow and go stuff, when the paint comes out of the can, it's like super thick. You can't even spray it or anything because you gotta water it down. It's designed to be watered down. So you guys that are doing it, you already know this, okay? So this for you newbies. All you do is you take your paint, you pour it in one bucket, and then you take that paint and you pour it in another bucket, and then you just pour it back and forth until it's mixed up. So if you get old paint or whatever, you're trying to mix the colors together, you're trying two or three cans of paint, you do that a bunch of times, it'll be mixed up faster than anything with no tools. You don't need to buy one of these. If you forget your drill, you know, you don't need this. If you forget your drill or whatever, you're on a, you know, job, you've never done that before, that's the best way to mix paint, the fast and easy way. Subscribe, talk to you in the next video.